On this episode, I'm putting a Mazda on the frame rack.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry since the dinner ain't finished a coma.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 80 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Thursday. So, first thing this morning, when I got to the shop, I had the Honda Odyssey from yesterday's episode, replacing the rear body panel, kind of a difficult one on those. I've done quite a few of them though, so I'm familiar with how they have to go in, but done quite a few of them. If you missed yesterday's episode, be sure to check it out. That was the majority of the process. It was ready to weld first thing this morning. I had already fit everything up, measured it, made sure it was exactly where it was supposed to be, and I went ahead and started welding on it first thing, did all my spot welding, MIG welding, got it seam sealed like you guys just saw, and I sent that one over to the paint department so it could get painted. It's ready to be painted first thing in the morning, then it's gonna go home tomorrow is the game plan. So after that, I had a Mazda 3, had to go on the frame rack. This one got tapped in the left front corner, and it knocked both frame rails over, roughly about 20 millimeters. But I didn't know exactly. I knew they were over, but until I put a measurement on it, I didn't know exactly how far. So I put it on the frame rack, and I put it in clamps, and I went ahead and pulled that front end over, where I did a measurement, then pulled the front end over until I got it exactly where it was supposed to be. And when I was done with that, I fit my sheet metal just to make sure everything was fitting correctly and looking proper. And that one's actually ready to be painted as well. So I'm gonna take that one over to the paint department in the morning. That was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure you click that share button. I appreciate all you guys watching and all the likes and comments and everything. It's helpful for my channel, helps it build, and gets a lot more attention to it. So thank you guys. I got plenty more coming for you. Some other new things eventually I plan on bringing as well. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. All right, on to the next one. It's a Mazda 3. I just put it up in clamps, and this front end, it got hit somewhere in here, and it knocked the frame rails over a little bit. So I'm gonna measure this one, and then probably I'm gonna have to pull this and bring the frame over just a hair. It's not a lot, I don't think, but we'll find out as soon as I get a measurement on it. think I got this one squared up. I'm gonna take these measurements, 4 of them, one more time on the front end just to make sure that it's looking really good. Alright, I got the parts all fit up on this one just to make sure everything fits good. Fender fits good. I got a little repair on the edge of the door. I'm going to go ahead and take the fender back off and prime that up. And this one will be going to paint.